Hello everyone, my name is Sangam Chimnaji Madne. Today discuss about the topic is air pollution. What is air pollution? Air pollution means environmental issue. Air pollution means the polluting the air with dust and other harmful particles. It decreases the quality of air. It makes air pollution with environment dirty. It also causes by the harmful packets on the plants. It is also affect by depression. To the effect by air pollution, plant, animal, water is effect air pollution. Air pollution is spoil the beauty of nature. It is the causes many health problem also. It is the root causes of many diseases. To the next point, type of air pollution. To the first point, outdoor air pollution. Primary pollution, directly immediate from sources. Example, carbon monoxide, dioxide, nitrogen. To secondary pollution. Secondary pollution is the formed in the atmosphere from primary pollution. To example, ozone and smoke. To second point, indoor air pollution. Indoor air pollution causes by household activities, building material or chemicals. It also example, smoke from stores, mold. Major sources, natural. First point, natural. To the wildfires, volcanic eruption, dust, storm, pollen. Second point, industry. Factories, power plants and chemical production. To the next point, common air pollution. First point, ozone. Ozone is a secondary pollution from the HOCX and NOx under sunlight. To the second point, nitrogen dioxide. Nitrogen dioxide from combination and industrial of activities. Third point, sulfur dioxide from burning fossil fuels. Fourth point, carbon monoxide. It is the from incomplete combustion of fuel. Fifth point, lead. It is the industrial process and the air pollution. To the next point, health impact. Respiratory issues. To the infection of body. Second, diseases, cardiovascular diseases. Infection is the lungs and heart attack, stroke. Third, chronic diseases and pulmonary diseases. That's all about the air pollution. Thank you.